Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girly Cutie Patuti Iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating bagong topic na naman. Tapos na po tayo sa topic natin kahapon. So ngayon po ang ating topic ay 6 reasons why being friendly is beneficial. 6 na rason kung bakit po ang pagiging mapagkaibigan ay nakakatulong or beneficial sa atin. But before that, may I ask or a favor sa mga hindi pa po connected sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, of course, share, comment, and the most important is subscribe at dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. So welcome again sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. So, ano daw ang 6 na mga reasons why is being friendly is beneficial? So there are many people who are of the opinion that it is better to live alone and not to waste your energies by being with other people. That's a fact. Marami po ang nagsasabi na mas mabuti pang na wala silang mga kaibigan, mas mabuti pang maging solo sila compared sa mag-waste or gumastos ng oras o mag-ukol ng oras sa pakikipagkaibigan. Yan po yung kanilang umihi si G. Umihi si G. Umihi si G. Umihi si G. Okay lang. Why did you pee on Daddy? All right. So, G, don't poop on me. G is pooping on Daddy. It's okay. It's pooping right now. It's okay. It goes straight to the floor. Okay. But the truth is that friendliness indicates inner courage and strength. Inner courage and strength. Okay? So it lets you be happy and makes other delighted. Okay? So friendly people are really strong because they know how to sacrifice their time for others. They sacrifice their time for others. Here are 6 wonderful benefits of being friendly. Ako, umihi at pumupo si G sa akin ngayon. It's okay. It's okay, G. Oh my God, there's a lot of poops on my shirt. It's okay. Number 1, you can make a positive impact with your friendly attitude. You can make a positive impact on your friendly attitude. Pinaka-importante dyan. Sometimes it feels as the world is full of these courteous or rude people. Okay? Kung minsan po ay feeling natin ay marami po mga rude na mga tao sa paligid natin. As a result of this misconception, we refrain ourselves from being friends with even those who can no way be included in the list of negative people. Okay? So we close our doors. Ayaw nating makipag-friends dahil po sa misconception na lahat po ng mga tao or malamang mga tao sa paligid natin ay mga rude or discourteous. So what happens is we're closing our doors. We don't want to make friends with others. By taking an initial move towards a potential friendly behavior with others, you can make a difference in this world. So mag-try po tayo na makipag-connect or mag-develop po ng friendly behavior sa ating mga kapwa-tao. Number 2, okay, being friendly helps you to add meaning into your life. Okay? So being friendly isn't just about approaching others with few good words. Hindi lang po yan, hello, hi. Hindi lang po ganyan. Okay? It's also about caring for them. Well, paano mo mag-care or show care for them? You treat others in a humble way because you care about them and their happiness. So you have to show care. Okay? Magbigay ka naman ng konting aruga or care. Okay? So you help other people on the grounds that you see yourself in them. So minsan po ay maglagay ka rin, you place yourself on their shoes. Ano ba yung mararamdaman mo if you're on that certain situation? Yun, very important din po yan, mga masters. So you will have what you call the empathy. Mafe-feel mo yung sarili sa kanilang lugar. Okay? And then number 3, there's friendly people are never alone. Okay, remember this, mga masters. Friendly people are never alone. Mag-step forward na ako kasi may poops po yung sahig namin. Okay? I don't want to cut this off kasi tatapusin na natin to. 12 minutes na naman ito. Okay? According to me, one of the most primary focus or focal points of being friendly to others is that the fact that you'll never feel alone because you'll never be surrounded by a lot. What does it mean? Okay? Hindi pala natapos. Ito sabi niya, in fact, that you'll never feel alone because you'll always be surrounded by a lot of friends pala and companions. Okay? Siyempre, pag meron kang surrounded ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, you will never feel alone. You will always feel that you have somebody to talk to or somebody to lean on. Okay? In case you have a problem. Okay? So that's very important. Everyone would like to have a kind, caring, humble individual as his or her close companion. Okay? Don't let some rude and mean individuals get you down. Simple act naturally, like be polite to the ones around you, and you'll see that the right people will value it. So all you have to do is just show yourself, show your real self, na polite ka at mag-respectful ka sa ibang tao, at magugulat ka po at makikita din ng ibang tao yung inyong value. Okay, number 4, friendly people will always get help. Ito po, remember this. Friendly people will always get help. Friendly people are always appreciated for who they are. Na-appreciate ka po ng iba dyan dahil sa iyong pinapakitang traits na pagiging friendly. For the way they behave. Okay? For the way they behave. At saka nakikita nila. They are never left alone and surely get assistance in time of need. So ako po ay isa po ako sa mga testimony po dyan. Makakatestimony ako dyan na every time ako po ay nasa peligro, every time I'm on a bad situation, when I look down, look up, look sideways, I always get help. That's the most important thing. Tumaba na ako. Noon, mas muscles pa to. Nako, hindi na ako nakapag-exercise. Nako. Alright, so, ayun, you can always get help from others, mga masters. Very important po yun. Okay? So, everyone will recognize and appreciate your friendly nature. And since you have always tried to make them feel great, they will always arrive for you. Darating at darating yun sila sa oras na ikaw naman ang nangangailangan. Willing to help you whenever you might need them. And I always trust on this phrase. I always have this positive quote, this particular line on my brain. It's always there. I always believe that if I do something good, I will always harvest or always get whatever I do in return. If not that particular person, there has to be somebody who will be there for you. Okay? Parang chain lang po yan, mga masters. Mga chain lang po yan. Okay? So, number 5, friendly people also makes you feel good about yourself. The positive effects of friendliness can be felt by you yourself. Ang effect niya ay mararamdaman mo talaga. Making others feel comfortable, respected, and appreciated for who they are is the true essence of friendliness. Be unique, be friendly, and you'll recognize how great you'll feel about yourself. Diba? And number 6, it helps you boost your willpower. So what does it mean? In our life, there will be always some folks who test our limits and our behavior. May mga tao talaga na agrabyaduhin ka. Okay? It is difficult to treat them with friendly nature in such circumstances. But to permit somebody to make us react rudely towards their rude behavior, just exacerbate things. So, wag mo nang hayaan mo na, wag ka nang rumesback at tirahin mo rin sila. Okay? If we respond with a friendly behavior, pag pagkinakitaan natin sila ng magandang ugali, it will give us strength and self-control as well as it will ease the situation. So magiging maganda yung situation pag hindi natin sila papatulan. Having a friendly attitude will always benefit you in every phase of your life. Let's make this world a better place with our friendly and nice behavior. O, diba? So that ends our lecture for today. I hope everyone will be as friendly as me. Oh, friendly as a master word. And of course, G. Alright, so kita-kits tayo mamaya. Alauna ng hapon sa Bahay Kulitan. Kaya Inday Dayag sa ating Premier Marathon. And we have 4 hosts for today. We have Ate Tess Tipudan, Simply Ella, and Ancotic Channel. Again, this is G, the green girly, cutie patuti, and Wana, and your master worm. God is great. Yahoo!